As you probably know if you've been following this channel for any time, I like to grow cassava, but we are in a zone that is not ideally suited to a tropical root crop like cassava, and often we have to carry them over into a second year to get a harvest. Well, we did that with one of our cassava this year, and we got 40 pounds off of one plant. But often they rot in the ground over winter, which is obviously not ideal, because even in the tropics, it can take 12 months to produce roots. So here it's got to go through one season, and then it freezes down to the ground. And then if we don't have it too wet and too cold, they'll grow back. And then at the end of the second year, we get a harvest. But we discovered a system from Africa that might help us. So we are experimenting with that today. Normally you would plant a piece of cassava like this about halfway in the ground, and then it takes its normal length of time to produce. However, I saw a video of an African farmer who was taking the individual nodes and planting those, and apparently because it doesn't have the extra starch in the node, and then it's not fighting with the other buds as to what to produce, and it's not rooting out of the bottom, they will produce roots in about half the time. So 4 to 6 months is apparently possible to get a harvest. And he was showing pulling them out of his nursery bed, and they already had some decent sized roots on them, which never happens when you plant a big one. It takes a long time to get rolling. So we're breaking off the individual buds, and my kids are helping me plant them up. So these individual buds are going into pots, and we'll see if they will produce faster. As you can see, there's one right there. If the bottom of this roots and we can get them in pots, we can take them out of the pots in a couple of months and plant them out when it's nice and warm. And so all of these guys right here are individual bud cuttings that have been planted, and I don't know if they're just gonna rot or if they're going to take, because it is kind of cold still here, even in the greenhouse. But we are coming into warmer weather, and we are planting 50 of these to do an experiment, and then we'll plant them out later in the year. It is an interesting experiment, and I will put a link to the original video that we found. And hey, if it works, it could be a way to really grow cassava here. Instead of having it be a so-so crop, it could be an excellent crop for us, because maybe we'll have closer to 100% of the yields instead of 20 or 30%, because they die over the winter. So stay tuned, and I will update you guys later in the growing season.